Hi, Remy here. I am fixing my heatset insert which I bought from AliExpress for $37. The soldering iron is okay, but the stand is a piece of junk and I'll fix it with 3D printing. So I ordered this set which is with EU iron 1 set. It comes with soldering iron, voltage rating 110 to 220 volts AC with a 60-watt heater, and temperature can go from 180 to 500 degrees centigrade. You also get guide head adapter for M2 to M8 threaded insert. It comes preloaded with MGM9 rail, but the MGM9 block is not there. It's a different sliding block. Whole dimensions are different, and it comes with a retachable badge that is for moving the slider up and down. Your order comes with 3D printed in ABF. You will get the mounting bracket, the clamp, the base unit. Mounting bracket and the clamp are of 5 mm thickness. The mounting bracket comes with a hole of 1.5 mm on top, one here and one here, and the screws are 2.5 mm. The clamp has the screws should go right over here to fix it in, and it's very difficult. You need a screwdriver at the size of 2.5 mm thickness. Now, if you look at the image over here, it clearly shows that the mounting bracket and the clamp are completely flashed. They are touching to each other. So it's a very tight fit. So in this image and also in this image over here, I don't see any gap. And now let's see the one which I have. Now this is what I have received. It comes with this soldering iron, the bottom mounting bracket. You get this stand for the soldering iron, which we will not need. Then you get few screws and the adapters. And this is the main adapter which will go inside the soldering iron. And this is for the M3 insert, which I have already used. And finally the stand, it comes with this. Apparently mine broke it while I was trying to unscrew it. So if you try to see here, the problem here is this does not flush. So I tried to flush it. Tried to screw it down to hold it tight. So one side I was able to screw in one side. I think this side I was able to screw in. This way this side I was able to screw in, but when I tried to screw in this side, I was not able to. I had to do that because this was very flimsy. It was not holding it tight. So that is why I was trying to screw in. Then finally I tried to remove it because you need very thin screwdriver to remove it. Actually by tightening it, I over tightened this side and I was not able to remove it. So when I tried to unscrew it, it was not coming out. So by brute force, I had to break this, and that is how I was able to remove it out. So now I need to find a solution for this bracket to mount the soldering iron. So let's see what options do I find on the internet. So I found this on the Maker World. It comes with the sliding rail and the sliding block is there. This one is designed for MGM 12, but the one which I have, the rail is MGM 9, but the block is neither MGM 12 nor MGM 9. The mounting hole are different. So let's download this and I will modify the arm to match the size what I have. So once you download and extract, you will get this set of files. You will need the soldering iron mount knob, this one. Then soldering iron mount generic inner diameter 18 mm. And the arm I have redesigned, so I will not use this. So this is the arm that I have to redesign. Let's look at the hole dimension. For MGM9, the holes dimension are 15 by 16, but for this one, it's 15 by 10. So I don't know what is the name for this sliding block paper. If anyone knows what is the name or the size, what do you call like MGM9, MGM12, just let me know in the comments. And the assembly will look like this. So you have the arm and the holder, the soldering iron holder over here. Now let's load the arm in the slicer and see the printing orientation. So once loaded, it will be in this orientation. So let's slice it. First thing to note is the time taken. It takes around 53 minutes. Second thing, this will be printed in this orientation. So the layer lines will be like this. So this layer lines and the downward force of the soldering iron when you pull down to insert the threaded insert into the part, the layer lines and the downward force will be in the same direction. Will not put that much of force to push the threaded insert, but still it is better if we can change the orientation. So let's change it and we'll print in this orientation. So let's slice it and check the time. So it takes 28 minutes. Now the layer lines will be this way and the force will be in this direction. So the layer lines will be against the downward force. So this way, this orientation is much better than the previous orientation. Now the arm is 3D printed. I'll insert the insert over here. Now the inserts are done. We need to cut this small portion over here, the support. Then I printed the holder for the soldering iron. By mistake, I printed the inner diameter 20 mm and there is a slight loose fit. So I'll just add a piece of paper over here and also the knob that will go over here. Now let's do the assembly. I have removed the old mount and will install the new one. Oh, sorry, I forgot to attach this spring, the detachable thread. I forgot to put it over here that I need to install. So let me undo it. And then now I need to mount it like this. So let me get M3 screws. Now I will install this iron. M3 nut that will go over here. Now I need to install the adapter. So this one, the main adapter will go inside, and then you tighten it, and the required insert adapter. So I'm installing here M3. So with this you get a depth of around 4 centimeters. That's around 4 centimeters you get a depth. It is very less actually. This can go slight more, so I might later modify this, try to reprint this bracket over here, a little longer one, so you can get more height. So if you have a higher object which can go underneath like this, will be better. So that's it for this video, friends. Link for this STL and the Maker World STL I will put in the description. Thank you very much for watching this video. God bless. Stay safe.